Good morning, boys and girls. I wanted to share the morning message with those of you who may have missed our live morning meeting this morning. So here it is. You can read along with me. Today is 3/25/20. Dear class, good morning. Today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. You will have a screen-free learning day today. What is the best book you have read at home? Why is it the best? Love your teachers. So in school, we've worked lots and lots on our opinions and then giving reasons for our opinion. So during our morning meeting this morning, we shared our favorite book that we've read at home and then a reason why it's our favorite book. So if you were not part of our morning meeting this morning, why don't you take a minute to think about what's your favorite book you've read at home so far since we started at home learning. Tell someone at home and tell them a reason, at least one reason why it's your favorite. What do you love about it? All right, one more thing I want to show you guys today. So today is your screen-free day. There's some suggestions of learning activities on Google Classroom for your parents to look at. I want you to make sure you're reading today just like you do every single day. That's super important to keep doing. But you do not need to do your online learning today with MobyMax or HeadSprout or Google Classroom, except to just look at Google Classroom to see what your assignments are. So you want to give your brain and your eyes a break from the screen today. Okay, turning this around, I drew a map on this board, and I wanted to share it with you. I want you to take a minute to look at it and see if you can figure out what is this a map of. What are you noticing? So I'll give you one hint. If you're looking at this map, you would almost be looking at it like a bird, like looking at it like if you were standing up above a room and looking down at it, so you would see the tops of different things. And that's how I drew this map. Does anybody think they know? I bet you might know, but guess what? I am not going to reveal it now. If you don't know, I want you to stay tuned because tomorrow we are going to have a little lesson on maps and I'll make another video for you about this very map. And I am going to show you something that could be really helpful in figuring out exactly what this map is a map of. Okay, boys and girls, it's called a map key. So stay tuned. It's not a key like you use to open your door. But it is similar because keys let us into a house or a room to open doors, and map keys almost let you into the map. They help you understand what the map is all about and what it is showing you. So my one more hint is that this is a place that we have all been many times before. Okay, guys, so you tell someone at home if you think you know what this map is. Or you can make a comment below under this morning message and tell us what you think the map is. And stay tuned tomorrow for more on maps. I hope you have a great screen-free day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.